Hey there everybody, it's Romy the Homie 3D, and today I'm showing you how to install your Cricut on the wall with the 3D printed bracket that I designed and sell. So to get started, all you need to do is remove the rubber feet on the bottom, and there is a screw underneath each of those rubber feet. Go ahead and take those screws out with a Phillips head screwdriver and put those off to the side. Grab the hooked feet that come with your package and place them with the hooks facing towards you, and the machine opening facing towards you as well. And go ahead and use those screws that we just removed earlier to reinstall our new feet. Once you have that done, just try lifting up your Cricut on the side a little bit and just make sure that those new feet are holding on to your machine snugly. Once you've double checked that your feet are snugly mounted onto your Cricut, go ahead and get your brackets screwed into the wall. They need to be 22 inches apart from the outermost left of the left bracket to the outermost right of the right bracket. Now that we've got everything ready to go, we're just going to pick up our Cricut and slide it over the brackets on the wall, and then we can just pull it towards us a little bit and we should feel it slide into place. Just visually check beneath the Cricut that those feet are into the brackets before you let go. Now we can load our material like we normally would. Get your vinyl or leather or whatever it is that you're working with onto your mat and load it up like you normally would. Once you've loaded your mat into the Cricut, you should be able to let go of it. You don't need to hold on to it anymore. The machine will keep it in place until you release it when your cut or your perforation or whatever you're doing is done. You can also use the feet hooks that you put on the bottom as feet. So if you want to put your Cricut back on the table for something specific, you can always just set this back down like this and it'll sit level on whatever surface you're on here. Alright, so we're gonna try this one more time with a simple design, just for the sake of showing you guys the whole cut. We don't want to spend all the time on the video weeding and showing you guys us weeding the one design we chose. But at least you get to see multiple uses of the Cricut mount on the wall. There we go. Cat. Alright guys, that is the Cricut mount. Happy making everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.